tubabuuzaako mwebale nnyo tuwagira mwebale kuwagira Shuaman mwebale kuwagira Uganda mwebale kweyagala mwebale kwagala bannammwe mwebale kusanitizinga mwebale kuzanga
ngayewombe sebulalizo
nenga kituufu voltage bafane baffe bebakubezezaawo all this time you understand naawe bebakubezezaawo like all this time we have to era singa tetwabagamba kuwagira
kituufu baali badetebampa kale njagala mumbulireko life after bidongo na voltage nga voltage mugisanze mutyani mwisanganga ku Friday over Saturday Sunday you can know where to go. How are you finding that life?
I think first of all kale kinyigana era sinyo kuba tubadde tumanyiridde okubeera mu studio n'emibala gyaffe weegiri so basically we are still living a bit the same life. What years is the going and which buli kimu kigenda kutereera singa kino ekintu kigenda twala myaka ebiri ng'egyo kyogera mbula after kidongo
yes
it's never life after kidongo. You know why? Because life after death is life after death. Like tosobola kola it is life koda naye kidongo kyo weekiri kikomawo kigenda kudda naye nga mwakikuba nnyo
kati njagala kumanya because mbadde ndudo balaba you guys nga kayayi wako nenga makazi wa skills ndabo bagiye muri badde mpitaita nemba gwako omuntu ali yagala voltage yababa mubayimbiro buyimbo bwakabi yali yagadde okumanya voltage kati muri ku chi right now.
Basically touring, recording a new music and doing the small gigs, the small gigs, scientific birthdays, but you know recording music doesn't stop.
Yawemba sangireka muri wa skills mwino
oli ngoma ziri era izo ngoma zonna compiling our albums tugenda kuba tutanga
bayimbi bangi ba complaining about the cancelled shows and what by appealing to the government balabo ba government enzo kubako kibayamba you as voltage chiche musobolo gamba government singa bamba mfunye chance kubanga already man ina show shutdown ya get and flow voltage ngode immediately
first of all the government strike yagala compensating abayimbi and then bambi bantu so sene ba considering abantu nga fateka mu sente nyinde mu concert because bambi batuyambe because we need that money also okuda muntu to redoing setting kuba after all this iraba fan bagenda tunguza chichi twakoma kuchira so government tuyanziza nnyo as voltage music and also for the compensation nanga
katusubire because I'm hearing flows agamba thank you government.
I think we have to thank government kuba yekoze echi
yo compensation is taken so you guys watch TV and newspaper
never naye katusubire zituuka abali wakati awo Jessica naffe mutulowozeeko
so basically because tukimanyi nti those cancelled shows zemali kugenda okukola because kimanyi they are looking forward okulaba nga buli ayinayo show eri cancelled this bamukola kiba mu compensating kati nga voltage because any avavo kati sitegenda kudda should we expect it because when they compensate you that means you're gonna do another
when they compensate obviously we have to reset and do more music for the people and to our packaging and neneko maybe yizo kubanga nene kusinga but we have to kubanga wali ogenda ku enjoying enyimba abiri the same ojja ku enjoying asatu if it was 1 hour
kati katusabe bigende bulungi babawe yes njagala kumanya voltage nga kuba lutu batu kimanyi life very simple work studio chifuru stage kudaka ku stage kudaka kuvuga kuduka ruwa kuva guru kude kati voltage olunaku lumala kutya
olunaku lutandika
waking up in the morning
you know as we go say prayer do a
pardon
say a prayer
you guys say a prayer
you have to give thanks to the Almighty man
and religion is what
we believe in it so we give thanks to the Almighty
nokwata mwawo katimba nedudduka ku studio, you understand?
So from saying thanks to God,
we did a little gym, come back, breakfast, then maybe come to studio if we are not in studio.
Of course, there are also interviews.
Interviews.
Always.
So basically, busy.
Let's talk about the hobbies besides music. What are the hobbies?
Traveling.
Traveling, you tell him Mukati.
Traveling.
We are going to Cavalli Wednesday.
Traveling tugende era saawe era satu tuba mungu. Nenga tulisi tuba tutambule.
Mutambule muko. So when you're home, what is the hobby, the best hobby?
Home, I think we watch a lot of movies. We do research.
Yes.
We like research.
Let's talk about movies. You guys are watching adventure, horror, love stories.
Zona kasatu zibaza bukaba.
All the other colors of movies,
but not the blue.
There is a fan that can say maybe singa Voltage bandi recommending yoka movie nengalaba. Which movie can you recommend to a fan of Voltage?
Esawe no. Movie chizi twalabye empya ya Michael Welberg. Spencer. Spencer. Movie debaita Spencer.
It's all about what?
It's an action drama thing.
Your movie.
What did you have for us?
Netflix movie night.
What's the new song we have in town right now?
Right now,
Angela. Magaita Love Me.
Video is done already?
Yeah, it is out.
It's on YouTube.
We've had to go like 3 weeks now? 3 weeks. So that is a project we are pushing so far. Until
so do we expect another new projects, singles?
Automatically, even that one.
Anytime.
Again, the full man.
Well, njagala twogereko ku competition because tukimanyi nti tubadde tuli lockdown na competition litwai na muziki na baba za Voltage, what are you doing? Abayimbi abalala nabo balekani Voltage muleta tuli lockdown still abayimbi pachata music. Voltage nga Voltage competition mugisanze mute ya lockdown because it's a bit different for competition ya kubantu bakanogera n'okubashone baga Voltage nga juziza kivulu ne kibimba. So we are now talking about lockdown and okobo tujulira ku radio na TV.
I would say waliwo ekintu abantu tebatanaba kubuuka bulungi. Eno gundi gye tulimu, it's not just a music industry, it's a music business. Tosobola kujyayo basajja bo basinga kuba b'amaanyi bagende balwanyise nobody eno batwala wali butalo. So basically essaawa eno, me I would even advise some artists, let people enjoy music wabaddewo okitegeera because eno time gye balina to listen to music okitegeera. So basically some people are thinking we are paying people to play our old music. No, abantu bafininze time kati emuconsumingamu. What you do, you keeping up with one song, 2 songs, and you just keep it there. Omusajja asinga okufulumya ennyimba okuba lockdown yafuluma paka kati bebe kulu yakafulumya oluyimba olwo.
Ye yagambye ali busy alina album jali kukola kwa hiyo.
It's okay, but that's the thing. You don't have to actually. Tulina kutta abantu na music bali waka. Let them consume what is there and then tubenga tuba wampola mpola. So that kati waliwe tunatuuka wali. Action is
I think the government would was saying out.
Why are you guys crying for government's money? You guys are rich.
Crying for government's money.
Government is Voltage wabajipansa milioni. Sakuna waguru. So just a show, one show million.
Sakuna concert. Otegeka shows okitegera. Sende mekazo teka mbu.
Kale kankubuuza. Approximately. Oloza sende mekeza agena mu concert. Approximately.
Sende nyingi because approximately na mu milioni ngabi 3.
Olaba wali.
Sirike.
Ola wali wotero kugira
uma wenzo kwa mali mbisatu 300M
kati yao katusirike.
So that's the matter of crying to the government.
Not crying.
We are not crying. But if the
because you guys are rich, you guys make money, you guys are well off.
Who says we are rich?
Voltage. About when you're rich.
No, we are like any other layman. Tetulivu binyo na ila.
No, wabango ino obulamu. Obo ino obuganda.
Ekyo buli omwana ekyo mu banja bulokote, morokaze muvugaza pay. Obulamu bw'omugeramu bwa pay.
Ati zine enviiri omuntu asozi salanga asiwa be.
Tandika.
Zine enviiri za jacket kumanyi.
Tuina mbisoti.
Manyije wakijja bizo kuba wakijja Japan ngasibayo. Well, njagala batwala mu njagala babuza a sensitive question.
Yeah.
Is all about politics.
Yeah.
Politics is atuta abayimbi astray nyo era manyi bakyali bamwe bajje bali mu bawulira bali mu kutunkana byabufuzi. Music edda twabeeranga ofo yaza ndyaze mabega nga kizibu okulira omuyimbi nti nvuddeyo njagala kwesimbawo kati saa zino buli muyimbi waali ajoba nkitwale nti abali mu bwangu buli amu ayagala kwesimbawo kumpi buli muyimbi kati ali mu bwangu yesimbyewo because when you talk about such artists already kati twawulidde Hildaman yesimbyewo Eddie Yawe yesimbyewo Dr. Jose Camille yesimbyewo Tone yesimbyewo Kamenyo yesimbyewo Banji to mention but a few naye na politics singa twala speed because tugenda mu kaluya ne Khalifa yesimbyewo of course already ne Bobby Wine yali yesimbawo naye yapagulirawo nagata abayimbi tandiko kwesimbawo. Well, mwenga Voltage, what is your take on other artists joining politics?
One, buli omu alina choice ey'embulamu. And then we are all leaders in our own way. Bw'obanga oyagala elevatinga okitwale mu parliament kisoboka. Obanga oyagala sigala eno leadingira eno cause naffe tuyimba ebintu nebikwata ku bantu in their own way. Okitegeera. So basically I don't see it as a problem nti abayimbi batandise okwesimbawo. It's actually a good thing cause bano abasajja be bamanyi ekirumu omuntu ddala okitegeera ne bakimanyi cause most of us abayimbi
tukwatagana n'abantu ffe
okitegeera we know
tubawa direct service okitegeera so we know.
So should we expect Voltage or Kent or Flosso at least one day to be an MP of any area?
Katulinde naye katulinde tutirabe.
No, katulinde. Oleda kaluka. No, oleda kijeganye kikuta akajja bi.
Oleda we are born leaders.
We are born leaders.
Batuzala tulichi? Tuli bali.
Omanya acha on following.
Yes, because we are leaders. You understand? Now we never followers.
Yes.
But I'm saying ati now the dream of politics but we are born leaders.
It's not our game right now. Fe tuchayagala kuba bayimbi.
Let's talk about the mayor, Jose Camille.
Yeah.
Yesimbyewo agenda kwesimba ku musajja gwe tumanyi nti si mwangu Elias Lukwago. Yeah. Abantu abo bazibu baludde mu politics. Mwenga Voltage. Singa lwaliro baga nti kati kalulu who do you fancy Elias Lukwago and of course Jose Camille.
Well, chemanyi nga Voltage. Kera kulonda.
You guys don't have national ID?
We have. We are Ugandans. Tutera kulonda.
Kitegeza tembwe kyonna kye babasalirawo mugumiranga kigumire atalonda. Ne bakulondera essati ne bagati yalidde tokaya.
Kankubuuze. Bwe walinga kusomero wagamba nga nze njagala no teacher abansomesa chemistry. Era baleetanga muleeta. Wali osazeewo madamu kantini abeerani.
Mumusanga
Eba student.
Kale ate eno ku level nene entebe nene. Bobby Wine olaba abayimbi basinga bamwegaseko nga bakimakadi. Abayimbi abasinga bamwegaseko nga bakimakadi. Voltage sabalabyeyo nga mukimakadi ya National Unity Platform. Mwabadde wanga bakimakadi abayimbi.
Ekituufu kiri nti let the best man win. We are not political people and we are not partisan. We don't engage ourselves in politics. What we know best is to say, but we support whoever.
We support. Osegera support everyone.
Naye ono muyimbi munnamu.
That's why we're saying
kadi muchi.
We are non-partisan.
Tetugenda tambuli mu party ngo badulina.
Era kiringanga abantu bagamba nti Bobby Wine wa sente ya muyimbi. Yes, ya muyimbi. Museveni wa muyimbi. Yes, ya muyimbi.
Tubaja
Mukonde wa yes, ya muyimbi.
Nawe wesimba okuba president wa sente tugenda kuja tuyimba
mu kubendo.
But we are non-partisan. Twagala bintu ya politics.
So in the name of music, are you well wishers of Bobby Wine or you're not well wishers of Bobby Wine? In the name of music,
okumuwishinga bati okumuwishinga bulungi. Okumuwishinga bulungi nnyo.
We wish him well 100%. Bobby Wine, go Bobby, go Bobby.
Yeah.
Let the best man
win. The politics.
Awangula fe wetuli.
Omanyi Kenzo yagenze n'akayana n'agamba kisoboka omusajja biki. Kenzo mwalabye views ze. Mwabadde mumulaba ng'ayogera. Mwabi followinzeko.
Yeah.
What is your take on Kenzo's side? Kenzo agamba nti bonna bayimbi bwabanga alaba nti muyina because Voltage has a good audience. Twemuvayo ne mugamba we are behind Bobby Wine. It is votes.
Katika nkuulira ekintu buli omu waali walabira omwenda n'omukaaga kitegeera omusajja wajja n'awandika number 9 what bw'obeera eri gw'ojjanga 6 gw'ojjanga 9 kitegeera everyone is entitled to their own views. Buli omu yamanyi gundi Kenzo ayinza okuba nga ali right and then ne Bobby Wine ayinza okuba nga ali right.
Naye ng'ate abo bamikwano kyangu nnyo bagenda kisobola gwerindo olabe.
Okay, ngatumaliriza njagala kumbulira should we expect any big collab from any international artist or any big artist around Kampala or anything? Because you do collabos.
We are the king of collabs.
Yes, yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Is it done doing Kent and Floso featuring Big Size Beautiful?
Yeah.
Kent and Floso featuring Winnie Nwaji.
Yeah.
Big. I know Mlala go doing now. John Black. Kent and Floso featuring John Black. Musegira. It's also now
you guys are not releasing the collabos. It's becoming.
We have songs that are really
okay. Say something to the fans of Voltage Music and of course saying goodbye to the fans of Shuaman TV and of course Shuaman and of course Voltage.
Yeah man,
abagala Shuaman TV, abagala Shuaman himself. First of all, subscribe to his channel. Once out
Shuaman TV.
Then mwebale nnyo kuwagira Voltage Music, mwebale kuwagira Shuaman, mwebale twagala bannaye.
Njagala sembyayo musoke mumpe mukapera
tugenda bikuwa
kitibwa ky'abakyala. Ayibako bakutte wansire waggulu. Kitibwa ky'abakyala.
Akapia right now.
Never judge a book yo.
Bro. Akapia right. Omanyi first last born ever
njiwanye
last born yafe. Last born wafe yani. You love me. Era abantu banange ladies and gentlemen munoonyereze ku video eyo ngere ku YouTube
love me
ya Angela mutaipe ng'olimba lwe bata love me
Angela Katatumba
brand new video very brand new